So yeah guys, today guys I'm gonna tell you about the video that I'm making. Today we're not gonna use those strategies that you know. I'm talking about SMC, ICT, indicators that are used by gurus. Today guys I'm going to show you the default indicator so that you can use and make money. That indicator, we call it the moving average, and I'm going to show you the profit that I made. I'm not here to brag. The default indicator is the way to trade, guys. If you're not using a default indicator, it's a default indicator, guys. You can't go wrong. It's a default indicator. So guys, I want you to follow, like, share the video and subscribe. The only thing that will help you is you subscribing to my YouTube channel. You're going to see my videos. I'm gonna drop videos for indicators for gurus, videos indicator for beginners. And if you're a beginner, please don't watch guru videos, watch the beginner videos. Start low and make money. Today we're going to use the best indicator in the market, the moving average. So, and let's go to TradingView guys and show you how to make money. Yeah guys, it's your boy back again guys on TradingView. So guys, now I'm going to show you what I was talking about when I'm saying moving average is better than ICT, SMC and also the EAs. So guys, some of the EAs, they use moving average only. They don't complicate things, but the EAs helps you to open trade automatically. But if you're a beginner, don't go to EAs because you don't have the balance to handle the losses. Don't use ICT, don't use SMC for now if you're a beginner. But if you are still learning and you still want to know about forex trading, use default indicators. They're going to show you the direction of the market. Go, and now we're gonna get in the market, and I'm going to show you what am I talking about when I'm talking about moving average, guys. Moving average is the default indicator you find in TradingView, you find in the market, and is the one that is making a lot of money. People are making a lot of money out of the moving average. So guys, I'm going to show you the basics of the moving average. It's going to be a short video, and I want you to listen and be patient and also make money. All I need from you guys is to follow, like, share and subscribe to the video and enjoy. All I need from you guys is to go to indicators. When you're in indicators, you're gonna search moving average, guys. You're gonna search moving average exponential. So there are different moving average, so we're gonna choose moving average exponential. As you can see, I've chosen moving average exponential here. Then I'm gonna click it, and after clicking it, it's gonna pop up here, guys. It's gonna pop up as EMA. It shows that this is a moving average exponential. So as you can see, this is a default one. So all I need you to do right now is that you must go here to moving average, to settings. You're gonna see a hide, settings, and also source code, and also remove. So you're gonna go to settings, guys. After pressing settings, you're gonna see this EMA. Then it shows you the style, the color. Don't need for customizing the indicator, it's fine like this. And then you're gonna go to input, guys. There's a section where it says inputs. So when you go to input, you're gonna go to length. Where you reach length, you're gonna type it 821. I use the 21 because it's the most accurate one, the most usable one to use in the forex market, guys. It's very easy and it's very good to use. So guys, let me not complicate you with this indicator. This one is the simplest indicator in the market, and it's gonna make you a lot of money if you listen and if you follow and like and share this video. So guys, as you can see, guys, the market here, it goes up and down. People, like, they've been told that the market moves up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So the market moves like this, guys. Every time, if you see the market, it moves like this. It moves up. As you can see, it moves up, down, up, down, up, down, up. But what I can tell you guys is something else about the moving average. The moving average can show you the market clearly. You can see the market clearly. As you can see, this line, this blue line, is the moving average. It moves above the chart, moves inside the chart, moves away from the chart, touches the chart again, moves above the chart a little bit, and then now is moving away from the chart. But you can see this moving average is very attractive. The market wants to touch the line. The market wants to go away from the line. And the opportunity is when the market goes away from the line. As you can see, if the market goes away from the moving average, guys, so I'm saying line, but if the market moves away from the moving average, it shows you that the market is going to that direction. But if the market moves closely to the line, it means the market is consolidating, guys. It's very important to understand that if it moves away from it, it means we are in a downtrend. If it touches it, it means we are in a consolidation zone. If it is closed, it means it's like a consolidation but in a downtrend movement. As you can see, it's close but it's moving down. It's bullish. It's bearish, man. Sorry, it's bearish. And then as you can see now, from here the market touched, but the market broke above the moving average and then it moves away from the chart, show that this market is bullish. So how to trade, guys? How to trade the moving average? So guys, you go to a 1 hour time frame. We go to a 1 hour time frame. When you go to 1 hour time frame, as you can see, you see that the market is doing this. Let's say right now the market is here. The market is here right now. The market is here. Let me show you. The market is here right now. Let me change this color so that you can see it. So now the market is here. Okay, let me choose a nice arrow so that people can understand what I'm talking about. Okay, let me use this arrow. So the market is here right now. So when you see the market is here, forget about this push. Forget about this push. The market is right here. We're gonna mark this zone for some reason because I want you to understand something. The market is here, right? The market is here. And if the market is here, you know that the market is close to the moving average. Is it above or below? As I'm seeing 1 hour time frame, guys, you can see the market is above the moving average. You see, it's above the moving average. So when you see the market is above the moving average, it tells you that the market is buying. You understand? And when the market is below the moving average, it tells you that the market is selling. So all I need to do is to go to a 1 hour time frame first. After a 1 hour time frame, you go back, you go down to a 5-minute time frame, guys. After a 5-minute time frame, guys, as you can see, where I've located it was here, guys. It was here. So we're gonna just take this thing to be smaller. So it was here, guys. It was here. You see, on 1 hour, it tells you that the market is above and it's moving away from the moving average. So what you need to do, guys, is that you must wait. You must go to 5-minute time frame and you must wait for the market to touch the moving average once again, guys. You must wait for the market to touch the moving average once again. What happens when the moving average touches the market? Consolidate. I told you, when the market comes back to the moving average, close to the moving average, the market will consolidate. But if it consolidates, but look what happens to our hourly time frame. In our time frame, the market didn't touch the moving average. But when you go back to 5 minutes, you can see that the market touched the moving average, guys. If you go back to 5 minutes, you can see the market touched the moving average. As you can see here, the market touched the moving average here, guys. Let me show you by using an arrow so that you can understand what I'm talking about. You can see here, the market went and touched the moving average. If you see this, guys, if you see the market touch the moving average, you must make sure that you see a resistance level where there is demand zones, when there is buyers there. Here there's buyers. So you wanna wait for the market to touch this and then you place your buy, guys. Easy, guys. Put your stop loss, maybe depending on one you want, and then put a 1:3, 1:2, 1:3 is fine, guys. And then you're gonna see the market move up to take your profit, guys. This is how easy the market is, guys. This is how easy. So guys, I think you have learned something, and those who don't understand anything, please comment below and ask me any question you want and any way you want to understand this indicator. I don't have a Telegram channel so that I can tell you more about this indicator. It's easy and it's faster and it's default, guys. I like it because it's default and it's gonna help you a lot. So here's